Welcome, space enthusiasts and curious minds. Have you ever gazed up at the stars and wondered, are we alone in the universe? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into a cosmic mystery that might just blow your mind. We're talking about the Great Filter, a concept that could explain why we haven't met any alien civilizations yet, and why Earth might be in for a wild ride. So, what exactly is the Great Filter? Imagine it as a cosmic obstacle course that every civilization in the universe has to navigate. It's a series of challenges that could wipe out a species before they ever make it to the stars. And here's the kicker. We might not have faced our biggest hurdle yet. But before we get too deep into the doom and gloom, let's take a step back. The idea of the Great Filter comes from the Fermi Paradox. You've probably heard of it. It's that head-scratcher of a question that asks, if there are billions of galaxies out there, each with billions of stars, and many of those stars have planets, where is everybody? It's like throwing the universe's biggest party and no one shows up. Now you might be thinking, hey, maybe we're just special. Maybe we're the first ones to the party. And you could be right, but here's where things get interesting. The Great Filter suggests that there might be a universal challenge that's incredibly hard to overcome. It could be something we've already faced, like the jump from single-cell to multi-cell organisms. Or it could be something we haven't encountered yet, and that's where things get a bit scary. Imagine if every civilization in the universe reaches a point where they develop technology so advanced, it becomes a double-edged sword. Maybe it's artificial intelligence that gets out of control, or weapons so powerful they could destroy an entire planet. Sound familiar? Yeah, we're looking at climate change and nuclear weapons. But don't panic just yet. The Great Filter isn't all doom and gloom. In fact, it's a concept that's sparking some of the most exciting research in astronomy and astrobiology. Scientists are scouring the cosmos for signs of life, and every new discovery helps us understand our place in the universe a little better. Let's break it down a bit. The Great Filter could be behind us, meaning we've already overcome the biggest hurdles. Maybe the emergence of life itself is incredibly rare, and we're one of the lucky few. Or perhaps the development of complex life forms is the real challenge. After all, life on Earth was nothing but single-cell organisms for billions of years before complex life emerged. But what if the filter is ahead of us? This is where things get a bit nerve-wracking. It could mean that civilizations tend to destroy themselves once they reach a certain level of technological advancement. Climate change, resource depletion, or even a wayward asteroid could be the culprit. It's like reaching the final boss in a video game, only to find out it's nearly impossible to beat. Now I know what you're thinking. This all sounds pretty grim. Is Earth really doomed? Well, here's the thing. We don't know for sure. And that uncertainty is actually pretty exciting. It means we have the power to shape our own destiny. Think about it this way. If the Great Filter is behind us, it means we're incredibly special. We've beaten the odds and made it further than countless other potential civilizations. That's something to celebrate. And if it's ahead of us, well, that means we have the chance to be the first civilization to overcome it. Talk about a challenge worth taking on. But let's get back to the search for extraterrestrial life. Every time we look up at the sky, we're expanding our understanding of the universe. We're finding new exoplanets, studying the composition of distant atmospheres, and even listening for radio signals from other civilizations. Each discovery helps us refine our theories about the Great Filter and our place in the cosmos. Here's a mind-bending thought for you. What if we're not just looking for alien life, but for alien civilizations that have already passed through the Great Filter? Imagine a society so advanced they've overcome every obstacle we can think of. They might be out there right now, watching and waiting to see if we'll join them in the stars. But hold on a second. If there are super advanced aliens out there, why haven't we seen them? This brings us to another intriguing idea, the zoo hypothesis. It suggests that advanced civilizations might be observing us, like animals in a cosmic zoo, waiting for us to reach a certain level of development before making contact. It's like being the new kid in school, and all the cool aliens are waiting to see if you're worthy of sitting at their lunch table. Now, I know we've been talking a lot about potential doom and gloom, but let's shift gears for a moment. The concept of the Great Filter isn't just about potential destruction, it's also about resilience and adaptation. Every challenge our species has faced, from ice ages to pandemics, has pushed us to innovate and evolve. Who's to say we won't rise to the occasion when faced with our next big hurdle? In fact, some scientists argue that our awareness of potential existential threats is itself a form of protection. By understanding the risks we face, we can work to mitigate them. It's like having a really good insurance policy for the entire planet. But here's where you come in. The Great Filter isn't just a concept for scientists to ponder. It's a call to action for all of us. Whether it's working to combat climate change, pushing for responsible development of artificial intelligence, or supporting space exploration, we all have a role to play in ensuring humanity's long-term survival. And speaking of space exploration, let's talk about how it relates to the Great Filter. Every mission we send to Mars, every probe we launch into deep space, is another step towards understanding our cosmic neighborhood. We're not just looking for little green men. We're searching for the building blocks of life, for environments that could support it, and for signs that we're not alone in this vast universe. Imagine the day we find microbial life on Mars or Europa. It would be a game changer, potentially pushing the Great Filter further into our past. Or picture the moment we receive a signal from an alien civilization. It would rewrite everything we think we know about our place in the universe. But even if we don't find life out there, every discovery teaches us something new about our own planet and our own existence. It's like solving a cosmic puzzle, with each new piece of information bringing the bigger picture into focus. So, is Earth doomed? The truth is, we don't know. But that uncertainty is what makes our existence so thrilling. We're cosmic pioneers, explorers on the edge of the unknown. Every day, we're writing the next chapter in humanity's grand adventure. And here's the most exciting part. You're a part of this story. Every time you look up at the stars, every time you wonder about our place in the universe, you're participating in one of the greatest mysteries of all time. You're helping to push humanity forward, one curious thought at a time. So the next time someone asks you if Earth is doomed, remember this. We're the species that looked up at the stars and decided to reach for them. We're the ones who've faced countless challenges and come out stronger. And we're the ones who will shape our own destiny, whether here on Earth or out there among the stars. As we wrap up this cosmic journey, I want to leave you with a thought. The Great Filter, with all its implications, isn't just a theory about our past or our future. It's a reminder of how precious and unique our existence is. It's a call to appreciate the incredible journey that brought us to this moment and to take responsibility for what comes next. So keep looking up, keep asking questions, and remember, in this vast and mysterious universe, we're all in this together. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll be the advanced civilization welcoming new members to the cosmic community. Now, wouldn't that be something? Until next time, space enthusiasts, keep exploring, keep wondering, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The universe is waiting for us. Are we ready for it?